Imagine a striking scene on the riverbank where a macaque moves through the dense vegetation with surprising agility. Water splashes around it as it catches fish with impressive skill. Its eyes are so sharp that they seem to carry the experience of an old fisherman. But does it do so by instinct, or did it learn by observing humans in action and decide to give it a try? This incredible ability has left biologists in a dilemma, wondering if it is an exceptional natural phenomenon or clever imitation. It all began when villagers noticed their nets were empty, and upon looking across, they discovered this astonishing scene. Nature always surprises us and reminds us that we are not the only ones with tricks up our sleeves.